Today, I'll show you how to create sprints in Jira. Sprints are used in Scrum projects to organize work into a fixed time period, usually 1 or 2 weeks. During a sprint, the team focuses on completing a selected group of issues from the backlog. First, open Jira and log into your account. Go to the Scrum project where you want to create a sprint. From the project menu, click Backlog. The backlog is where you plan upcoming work before it moves into an active sprint. At the top of the backlog, look for the Create Sprint button. Click Create Sprint. Jira will create a new sprint section above the backlog. Now choose which issues you want to include in the sprint. You can drag stories, tasks, bugs, or other issues from the backlog into the sprint section. Before adding issues, make sure each ticket has enough detail for the team to understand the work. Check the summary, description, priority, acceptance criteria, and estimate. If your team uses story points, add the correct estimate to each issue before starting the sprint. Now review the total amount of work in the sprint. Try to choose a realistic number of issues based on your team's capacity and previous velocity. Once the sprint contains the right work, click Start Sprint. Now enter the sprint name. For example, you can name it Sprint 12 or April Development Sprint. Next, choose the sprint start date and end date. Most teams use a 1 week or 2 week sprint, but you can set the length based on your team process. Now add a sprint goal. The sprint goal should explain what the team wants to achieve during the sprint. For example, complete user login improvements and fix high priority bugs. Review the sprint details one last time. When everything looks correct, click Start. Your sprint is now active and the issues will appear on the Scrum board. And that's it. You've successfully created a sprint in Jira. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.